Hello, YouTube. I'm back with another haul. I don't know if this is a big haul or a small haul, but I managed to go by and pick up a few things. I'm not going to mention the store, but I did manage to score a lot of things. I managed to pick up this lip gloss, and this is a Sarah Gellar. No, this is not Sarah Michelle Gellar. This is Laura Gellar's lip gloss. It is a wonderful lip gloss. I tested it out. And the one thing that I like is the applicator. It bends back and forth. So you really get to, apply the formula without you having to cake on too much, which is one of the drawbacks for me when it comes to, everybody calls them lippy lipsticks. I remember a time when it was called lip gloss. Liquid lipsticks, lip gloss, it's gooey sometimes. But it's a flattering, neutral, nude shade, and I like it a lot. I think this is a great score. This is the most expensive lip brand product I've ever purchased in my life. So this is Black Girl approved. The next item I managed to pick up is from NYX. It is, as you can see, the Ultimate Edit. I think these are the nicest colors. They are pigmented. So yeah, I'm rubbing it. See how it is against my finger? And I have severe dry skin. And it does register. I'm trying to get you to see it. It does register on the hand. Very pigmented. So I can find a clean finger, because I've been swatching all day. See, there's another wonderful pigment color. Let's get the one maroon vibe. That's just gorgeous, darling, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is another Black Girl approved. In another video, I will show you how it actually works on my eyes. So this so far is something I'm going to keep and not return. The second item I purchased is these lashes. They said that they're from Korea or China or, someplace Asian. It's 5 pairs of lashes. It did not come with adhesive or glue, so I'm glad I got my own glue and my own adhesive. So I will be testing this out and telling you how, if I liked it or if I didn't like it. This is another major score. This other item here, this is from the brand Ellen Tracy. It's found everywhere: Tjmaxx, Ross, Tjmaxx, Ross, Best Outlet. I live in Orlando, Florida. And the one great thing that really surprised me about this eyeshadow palette is that it is pigmented. I tried it out before. I swatched it before I purchased it. I swatched it in the People's Store. And it is creamy. It is pigmented. See, that is what came out of this Ellen Tracy eyeshadow palette. The other one that was flattering was this peach pinky shade. Here it is again. Pigment, pigment, pigment. Ooh, ooh. Also, every color, every shade, pigment, pigment, pigment. The is this up here? This one up here. That's from the Ellen Tracy. Amazing. Now I'm trying to learn all this lingo. Very little fallout. Very little fallout. Just cream pigment. Nice and soft. Can't wait to apply that to my eyes. And last but not least, beauty blenders. Now, I'm not a big beauty blender babe, as I call it. But I couldn't help pick it up. This is from another none of your fancy Too Faced or, you know, Kat Von D, and, you know, this is from Nicole Miller. I find this is very soft. What would be the benefit of this beauty blender for me? Well, I might just get into beauty blenders. I'm starting to bake, so I'm realizing that it's really nice and it's hard. Some people like it hard, some people like them soft. I like it hard because then I think it will fit better into narrow crevices, since especially my eyes are hooded. And my eyes and my face has a tendency to be puffy. So I feel like this particular density will work well with my particular beauty needs and wants. And this other package comes with a unit of 2. And these are nice Easter egg colors. This is also very dense. It's a little bit softer than the pink one, but I think it'll get me into and being a beauty blender babe. Well, that's all for the haul. I'm excited to show you the things that I purchased, and I can't wait to use these items that I actually use the items that I purchased. My hauls aren't very big, but loaded with items, because when I haul, I intend on using the items and giving you my point of view about the particular items that I have hauled, as well as use them and incorporate them as part of my beauty arsenal. So I look forward to recording and sending you more exciting videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.